How might you grow profits, or easily expand your machine base, or find new secret weapons to beat your competition? Hi, I'm Polek, and I'm talking to you here today from our product testing lab. This has been a terrific proving ground of the hundreds of products that we test and evaluate to introduce to our customers year in and year out. The ultimate proving ground, however, is out in the field. And we've made it easier for our customers to recognize our best performing products, our peak performers. How does one of our products get recognized as a peak performer? Well, a product of ours has to have a minimum of 12 months experience out in the field before they can be considered as a peak performer. And also, they have to have a 99.5% success rate or higher out in the field. And once a peak performer has recognized that status, they have to maintain that 99.5% or greater success rate out in the field on a rolling 12-month average. That means that peak performers have to earn their status month in and month out. Some of the things that I hear dealers talk about that they want to accomplish in 2019 is they want to grow their profits, they want to find ways to easily increase their machine base, and they want to find new ways that they can kick their competition into the dirt where they belong. So if any of these outcomes are things that you're looking to accomplish in 2019, perhaps even all three, contact Polek and Polek. Our peak performers can help you accomplish that. They're secret weapons that will leave your competition scratching their heads how you have such an unfair advantage over